Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to stop your computer from turning itself off step by step. So as you can see, I have come into this portal to make you understand the topic very easily. So how do I fix my computer self turning on or off? And sometimes it is difficult to clearly indicate the reason for the computer shutting down. However, a visit to a specialist involves a considerate expense and long lead time. Before you get your device serviced, try these methods. It is very likely that you will cope with the problem without an expensive visit to a specialist. So here are some suggestions I'm going to make, and it is use an antivirus program. It is very useful because with the antivirus, you don't have to be afraid to shut down your computer because of malware. When your machine is protected by a real-time program, you can be sure that no threat will be left out. And when choosing an antivirus program, also make sure that it doesn't burden your device too much. A bad antivirus will slow down your computer and in any extreme case will turn it off. And also take advantage of suggestions from industry leaders like Bitdefender antivirus. You can use theirs. Their website, and it's not a sponsor, I'm sorry. And the next suggestion is clean your computer of dust. So to cope with contaminants, reach for container and compressed air. Unplug the computer, open the case, and take it to a well ventilated area such as balcony. Then remove the residual dust with compressed air. Be careful not to bring nozzle tip too close to the components. This can damage them. Keep at least a few centimeters of distance. So for a laptop, compressed air is also useful for you when the fan is running louder than usual. Check the outflow and airflow, then clean this ducts if necessary. And as for the next step, you should invest in good fans for your laptop, because when dust cleaning didn't work and your PC is still overheating, you will need to replace the cooling itself. A weak or well-used fan usually doesn't do its job. First, replace the fans in the housing, and if this doesn't work, you might need to replace the CPU fan or graphic card. And also another suggestion I'm gonna make is reinstall the whole system, because in some cases when you remove or stop some components of your system, your computer crashes and shuts down itself. If this is the case for your computer, install the operating system again. This problem should disappear. And the last one is replace power supply. And the last option is to check the power supply if all of the above fails. The power supply could be the root cause of the problem. Some of the power adapters do not cost too much and are worth trying because they cost much less than having your laptop serviced or buying a new one. The main reasons for the situation in which the computer always turns off immediately after startup are CPU overheating, wrong power source, wrong software, and wrong power supply. And that's it. Or you can also go to a specialist if none of this are working. And after it's done, also you can just straight press Windows plus R. It's just another suggestion from myself. Press Windows plus R, type powercfg.cpl and press enter, and then select change plan settings next to your active power plan. And as for step 3, put the computer to sleep to never. Click save changes. Your PC won't auto turn off anymore. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and go after ringing the bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.